Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to enable and disable notification vibration on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, go to the settings icon, scroll down to the sound and vibration option, and then scroll down again to notification vibration. Here, to remove vibration from all notifications, you just need to select this option. This way, all your notifications will be without vibration. To turn vibration back on, just select any of these vibration options. Pick a vibration type, and your notifications will vibrate again. We're going to go back, go into notifications, then app notifications, and now you'll look for the app that's not vibrating, click on it, and this option here should be enabled, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.